Yeah! Woo! I can't cheer.
This is so fun.
Police are not going to show up. This is private property.
Yes, your house is private property too.
But there's no houses around here.
I understand that, but police can show up.
They can.
Well, he'll get arrested first, so it's okay.
When did they go to New Hampshire?
A week or two ago.
Look at
Are you videotaping?
Yup. The best part of this video. Oh, I hate those. Just kidding, I love them. Okay, the best part of the video is gonna be our talking.
Yeah.
Hey, that's not
you.
you. And it's crazy.
So here's my number.
So call me maybe.
Chew that.
You did? Yeah. Great deal.
I like the smoke.
Pretty.
Waiting for the other ones to get lit off.
Yeah, Harper has them from our patio.
I want to see Roman candle.
So what thing I
People
got?
could see those for free. If I was in town, I would have done.
Woo!
I don't know where you could
Suck.
see them from.
I know.
Well, I mean.
Wow.
Oh, it's actually getting bigger. Look at all the sparks going to the
We're a little higher.
Whoa, okay.
Those are mortars?
Roman
What are you thinking about them?
I love you can't see anything but the light. It's so creepy, it's going out of
So
nowhere.
funny. Holding it.
They're so little.
And he loves to just hold it.
Can you hold them?
Yeah, you're supposed to do, but they're Roman.
I thought you, like-
Roman candles. Hold them up.
Perfect.
She's still into you? Oh, that's nice.
Pretty.
I understand.
Oh, it's so cool.
Light them off. We should light all of them off right
I think this is a cake.
now. Pretty. This is the crayons. Crayons.
Oh, the missiles?
Yeah. I call them crayons because they're big crayons.
Mm-hmm. This is okay. Okay, so they do missiles before this. Oh, that's actually really pretty.
Oh yeah, red, blue, crackle. Oh yeah, red, green, crackle. Red, green, crackle.
Phone's charged, so when you get arrested, you can call me.
Oh my gosh.
That's so cool. Oh, that one went really high.
I love those.
That was so cool. They twist.
I love these ones. Oh, that's so cool.
That's so cool.
That's so cool.
Another one. Yay! I want to know.
Pretty.
Aww.
That's a weird stage show. I was like, oh, what's going on? And he feels
What was that story you told me about the pants? Pants.
Oh, that's right. And then it goes completely silent, and then one goes, and then they all start doing it again. And the pants that was on the whole thing with Eric and Katie when they were camping. Katie, my sister, the one who's here today.
Yeah.
And she got her pants soaked because it was raining, so she hung them up in our tent. And Eric goes, pants, and he was hitting them. It was like, he like waited for it.
There's a rhythm to that.
Pretty.
Oh, another one of these, yes! I've never seen everyone more excited.
Like that.
Oh, shiz.
His backpack.
Don't know. Oh, there he is. There they go. That doesn't look like a mortar.
Of course. By car.
What are you doing on the roof?
Really? Oh, it's a Roman candle.
Looks like Dave holding it.
I'll probably put some at an angle. Yay, mini one!
Saucer. Oh my gosh. That's
Mortars.
big spaceships.
Yay! Can't even see it.
Thank you.
Yeah, I hope
Woo!
it's
It's a mortar.
There we go. Oh crap, that's hot. Oh, that was... That scared me.
Be the layer. Wow. They ran into it.
That was...
Oh.
Oh, that was cool. Run. Oh, that one's pretty. Yeah, of course, they're idiots. That was so pretty. Do another one. Whee!
Whoa, that was great.
Those are my favorite.
Dad should get a pyrotechnics license.
And to blow stuff up. Better be the finale.
Oh!
That was not. Those are not.
Yeah. Boom. Oh crap, that scared me.
White. Red and white.
Oh Jesus.
That's a big one right there. All right. Videotape, videotape.
On Astorm